Welcome everyone. Today we are installing hood vents on the NC Miata, and these hood vents will reduce the underhood pressure by approximately 50%, which will decrease the front lift on the racetrack. The other issue that I had on the racetrack was the engine temperatures, and these should dramatically improve the cooling for this engine. So without further delay, here is the install. So the first thing that I want to do is put the template on the hood and then make some cuts into this hood. So we want this 8 inches from the hood edge. There you go, 8 inches, and then we're going to align it with the curve of the hood right here. Beautiful, looks wonderful. This guy over here, pull this off. Okay. And we are going to line that up right there and set her down. Now, I just moved in here, so I have not organized this garage. Forgive me. We need a little cutoff wheel right here. We're gonna cut this hood, and of course I need my safety glasses, safety first. I'm just gonna cut into this and see what happens. I have no idea, never done it with this kit. Check out my hood, I made art on my hood. Check out my hood. I engraved my hood. Go look at it.
Did you really?
Yeah, I ground into the hood. I drew a drawing on that side, and then I put enjoy your car on that side. It's for YouTube.
No, you didn't.
Yeah, I did.
That's real?
Yeah.
Why the fuck would you do that?
Oh man, what is all this? Ugh, this is disgusting. All right. How do I get all this out? This is version 2 of the hood vents, and these have a gurney flap in the front, so you bend that up 90 degrees and then you bend these 45. And they're very easy to bend. Try to make them all even. Take a look at it after we do this. But right now we're just eyeballing it. Yeah, that looks good. So this is going to be the right side. So now I need to do the left side, 90 degrees. I'm not sure why, but that one's the hardest. The other ones work just fine. 45 on these. 45, try to keep them parallel. 45, 45, 45, 45. Look at that. I have hood vents. All right, so this is going to slip in here, and it's just going to look gorgeous. It's really going to wake up the Miata. Everybody's going to love it, your neighbors, sisters. Oh, so right here, I'm just gonna cut the hood out a little bit more. Just wonderful. These are lovely, lovely vents. Now this is anodized, not powder coated. I don't know how it's gonna hold up. I've never installed these vents before. I usually use Track Spec, I believe is the name. We did those on a BRZ a while back. And I remember it being quite a bit easier, less labor involved. So this is, I'm not super excited about these. It's been quite a laborious process. And I need gloves for that. It's very warm. So we're gonna use these little leather boys here. And now we should be able to slip this in there. Now we shouldn't force it. Now there's no template for the bottom, it's just on the top, so you're kind of in a do-it-yourself realm here. There you go, and we're in. That's what it looks like. Let's close the hood and take a little peek at this boy. Yeah, there we go. Now we're talking. We got our vents. We got enjoy your car. We got our vents over here looking good. Do we have space for all the vents? Kind of. There's not enough clearance here with the trim, so I am going to take off more on these edges. All right, well, that's gonna cover up most of it, but we are gonna need to do a little bit of touch-up on that area. It's not bad, but it's not great either. Okay, how are we fitting in here? We're not fitting it. What's wrong? Not enough clearance. What's hitting? This is hitting. We need to cut more on this side, which is good for a couple reasons. So let's just cut all that off and cover up the hole and see what happens. Oh, I didn't really even get it at all. Yeah, so I can cover all that up now with my wonderful little trim. Okay, here's the test. Am I gonna be able to cover up my damage? Oh yeah, right on, baby. Look at that, it's all covered up. You can't tell the difference there. Looking beautiful. You are so nice. All right, we're coming through here, and we are making this Miata look like a man. Wow, look at this beautiful trim brought to you by Singular Motorsports and do-it-yourself hood vents. I think Singular Motorsports should just sell the vinyl kit so people can cut their hoods open like this and have these nice, beautiful gaping holes in their hoods. Okay, let's go ahead and drill this guy in and rivet it on just to make myself feel better. If I have one side done, I can use it as motivation to get the other side done. That looks sick, I'm not gonna lie, that is really a cool hood vent. So forget what I said earlier, this is a beautiful piece by Singular Motorsports. I am impressed. So there it is. It looks interesting. It's really aggressive for a Miata. It looks cool, and that's half the battle, right? Looking cool. There you are. That is all I have for you. Thank you for watching. Make sure that you enjoy your car.